What is going on, everyone? Let's talk about Ryobi's new 18-volt cordless high-performance track saw. So what does it come with? Well, it comes with two 26.5-inch tracks, a track clamp, a 6.5-inch blade, a brushless plunge saw, and my particular package came with an 18-volt battery and a charger, but you are able to buy it as just a tool only. So let's take a look at this thing. All right, so there's your Ryobi track saw. I am so excited to have this saw. It's been a tool that I've been wanting to add to my collection for a very long time. So I am very excited to get to use this in future projects. It's gonna make things so much easier. So that's it. Thanks for sticking with me, and let's get cutting. Plunge saw. And a brushless plunge and a brushless plunge saw. Say that a couple times fast.